How to make stirrups in AutoRebar. It's pretty simple. Just click on stirrup. But now I'm going to make this command in a context of beam. So I'm going to draw a beam. I make a rectangle, first corner. I specify my dimensions. So let's say that I have a beam with breadth 25 centimeters and 70 centimeters. I'm drawing in millimeters, however. And after that, I'm going to draw my stirrup. So just click on stirrup command, specify your diameter. I'm using here 8 millimeters. After that, I specify my concrete cover, which is here 2.5 centimeters or 25 millimeters. I click also enter. I specify my first corner and my opposite corner, and tada! I made my stirrup. So I want to make this stirrup appealing in this particular beam. So I double click on this stirrup, or I simply click on my stirrup and hit edit and uncheck display local dimensions. I click OK, and here is my stirrup. In case of proposition or exhibition of the particular stirrup outside the beam, to make your shop drawing more professional, I copy this stirrup and paste it elsewhere. I double click on that and I display local dimensions, and after that I am going to mark my stirrup and let's say the spacing here is 6 stirrups per 1 meter, which is 165 millimeters. Let's say I am going to make this over 3 meters, and I note this as stirrups. So I have made my stirrups and also marked them in AutoRebar. I can edit my scaling here with this command, which is edit scale. I click on it and I make another new scale, which is, let's say, 15. I move it to make it more appealing, and this is it. After that, I simply make my annotations and my beam is pretty clear and shown. So thank you for this video and see you next time.